Hello, this video is designed to get you up and running with the GPS trackers you've received. You may have received either an LTE or a SPOT device. If you received a Garmin InReach, then please refer to our PDF document as those require a little more explanation. Now, to power on the LTE device, there's a small power button just on top, and if you squeeze and hold that quite firmly for 5 seconds, a red light will appear and then will go out after a few seconds, and then the blue and green light will flash for a couple of minutes. Finally, only the green light will flash. That's normal operation. If you see a red light, it usually means it's turning itself off or the battery is low. To turn the device off, again, squeeze that button on top very firmly for about 5 seconds and you'll see the red light flashes. Now that will flash for about 3 minutes and then all of the lights will go out. The spot tracker, doesn't matter which model you've received, they both operate the same way. There's a small button in the top left-hand corner. You squeeze and hold that for a few seconds, the lights will circle round. That's now powered on, but it isn't yet transmitting to the internet. You have to squeeze and hold the bottom center button, which could be a footprint or it could be a small flag icon. Squeeze and hold that for about 5 seconds and then release. That button will light or flash and it's then ready to use. To turn off the spot, squeeze and hold that button in the top corner again and it will flash a couple of times and then turn itself off. All satellite transmitting devices need to see a good view of the sky. They won't work indoors, so make sure you use them outside and mount them on the shoulder or in the top of a bag. This device can be put in the top of a bag as long as this label is facing the outside. The spot tracker, however, really must be kept outside on the shoulder as horizontal as possible. If it moves forward or backwards or side to side, it won't be able to see as much sky and it may miss its 5-minute transmission schedule. So keep it as horizontal as possible. If you've got any further questions, refer to the PDF document or contact us for support. Thank you.